Robert M. Pirsig quotes, book The Study of the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. The Study of the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. That is 10. This was so eye-opening for me, and I would recommend everybody to read it. And he is a genius. So he has an IQ from over 160. Okay, the only Zen you can find on the tops of mountains is a Zen you bring up there. Quality is a direct experience independent of and prior to intellectual abstraction. Quality is a direct experience independent of and prior to intellectual abstraction. To live only for some future goal is shallow. It's the sides of the mountain that sustain life, not the top. If you run from technology, it will chase you. The place to improve the world is first in one's own heart and head and hands. Boredom always precedes a period of great creativity. We do need a return to individual integrity, self-reliance and old-fashioned gumption. We really do. And that's missing. The two knocks on the door and you say, go away. I'm looking for the truth, and it goes away. Puzzling. The truth knocks on the door and you say, go away. I'm looking for the truth, and it goes away. Puzzling. No? The truth comes unexpectedly. Metaphysics is a restaurant where they give you a 30,000 page menu and no food. The Buddha resides as comfortable in the circuits of a digital computer or the gears of a cycle transmission as it does at the top of a mountain. If you stare at a wall from 4 in the morning till 9 at night, and you do that for a week, you are getting pretty close to nothingness. This is a Zen meditation. When something goes outside the cultural norm, the culture has to protect itself. I really don't mind dying because I figured I haven't wasted this life. There's no such thing as morality. There is, but it's all the time for other people. It's true for other people, not for yourself. You see it in the Western culture. No? All the other countries are bad. No? They don't do what your country wants. And so you can make war after war after war. But actually, you break the same morality than the other country. But you don't make a war against yourself. No? It would be the best for the world. No? And we would not have any war anymore. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.